Hey, I'm Dr. Gardner, and tonight I wanted to talk about pain. It's a very important topic, so I'm going to cover it in a series of videos. And in this video, I wanted to talk about the signs of pain. Some of them are obvious and some of them are less obvious. So if your dog is limping, or your horse won't get up, or there's a big swelling that they have somewhere on their body, or some type of inflammation, that can give you a clue that there's probably very clearly some pain there. But then there are some less common signs. One of the ones that I see often is a personality change. So if you have a really calm, easygoing dog that gets along with everyone, who suddenly develops more of an aggressive personality, growling or getting low when people come in, barking more, they might even become nippy. That can be a sign of pain and is definitely something that should be looked into and addressed. Another one that I'll see is dogs that suddenly don't want to go up or down stairs. And that's usually a sign of neck pain or back pain, but it could be other types of pain. But if they're doing everything else normally, but they don't want to go up or down stairs, that can be a sign of discomfort. Another one is drooling. So if you notice that your pet is drooling a lot more, and usually it's oral pain, but it can also be associated with nausea or some type of other gastrointestinal upset. So drooling is something to look out for. And then the last one I wanted to bring up is over grooming or biting at themselves if they're really, really itchy. And they don't have to be itchy. It could just be that they're going after, especially when they go after only one part of their body. So that can definitely be a sign of pain and is something that should be addressed. So if you notice any of those things in your pet, it's definitely something that you should look into with your veterinarian or, try different things at home to see if you can alleviate their discomfort. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the types of pain and how I look at them and how I perceive them with both Western training and also traditional medicine training, and how I take that into account with the energetics of the herbal therapy and the energetics of Western medicine, and how we can apply that to get a really good combination of things to help alleviate that discomfort. So I hope that's helpful in identifying pain in your pets, and I welcome any questions or comments, or if there's anything specific that you would like to hear about, let me know, and I hope that you will like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.